businesses you can start with almost no cash. Nearly everyone dreams to start a business of theirs someday. I mean, we all hope to become the boss of ourselves and do something we've always dreamt of our entire life. However, there seems to be a common challenge for all: not having enough money to fund the business. Norman Vincent Peale, an American minister and author of The Power of Positive Thinking, said empty pockets never held anyone back. Only empty heads and empty hearts can do that. Yes, running a business means a lot of hard work and money as well. But there are quite several businesses anyone can run without any monetary investment. To do this, however, you have to identify your target audience and ensure that you set up a business that meets their needs. For instance, a single mom who needs to figure out a way to take care of her 2 kids, go to work and still manage to run a business. Imagine offering to be a nanny to her kids and also offering to constantly sell dog food for her pet at a discount rate each time she needs to make a purchase. Which of both options will she likely go for? Of course, the nanny option will serve her better at the time than a discount on her dog food. Why? It's pretty simple. Of course, she doesn't mind cutting costs on the amount of money she spends fending for the family in a month or annually, but buying some more time to do a better job at work and with her business so that she can earn more money to do a proper job of providing for her family will be a better option as far as she is concerned. Once you've figured out what is important to your target audience, you can now go ahead to start your business. Hold on a minute. Before you rush off into your business, if you intend starting a business with no money, you should consider starting a service-based business. Now that we've established that, in this video, I'll share with you 6 types of businesses you can start with almost no cash. This, I believe, will help you become a successful person. If you're new here, consider subscribing so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this. 1. Consulting. If you are a professional in a field, perhaps you can consider becoming a consultant so that you can advise people and give them tips and strategies that can help them become successful in the industry. In exchange, you get paid. You see, the knowledge you have acquired while working on a particular job isn't a waste. So why not use that knowledge to provide guidelines to those who need it? At first, you may feel inadequate to do this, but the truth is that if it has helped you become a success so far, it can help others too. You only need to believe in your ability to do it and go for it. J. Abraham, an American business executive and author, said, "You are surrounded by simple, obvious solutions that can dramatically increase your income, power, influence, and success. The problem is you just don't see them." Growing companies constantly seek advice and strategies to help them. You can become their consultant, and you don't even need money to start. Highlight your portfolio and market yourself, and you can even do a few free jobs to improve your profile as well. 2. Home services. Think of babysitting, laundry, coaching, pet watching, cooking, and so on. These are only a few examples of home service businesses that anyone can start easily from the comfort of their homes or the homes of their employers. Home service businesses don't cost anything to start because you are providing a service, mostly your time and a bit of your effort, which will be compensated on an hourly, daily, or monthly basis, depending on the terms of the agreement. 3. Sales of used products or reselling of products. Fairly used products can be bought and sold to people, and you do not need so much cash to start. Depending on who or where you are buying the products from, and also depending on the kind of products, you can purchase some of the items on credit, and when you sell them, you can pay back the money. In the case of reselling of products, you can do a drop shipping kind of sales. It is a good way to start an online business because you don't need to hold stock of any product. When someone orders something, it is directly shipped from the manufacturer and earn your commission on every sale that comes from you. 4. Property manager. As defined by Investopedia, property management is the overseeing of residential, commercial, and/or industrial real estate. including apartments, detached houses, condominium units, and shopping centers. It typically involves the managing of property that is owned by another party or entity. You can become a property manager and perform tasks like taking calls from tenants and arranging for maintenance. You can even offer to show apartments, screen tenants, and collect the rent. 5. Your creations. If you are into arts and crafts, this might be a perfect opportunity to showcase your work and make some money while at it. Your talent is the main ingredient for success here. For instance, you can make fashion accessories like bracelets, pendants, or bags. Or you can make ornaments, paintings, and other artworks for decorative purposes and sell them on several online platforms. 6. An online blog, course, or membership site. If there is something you love to talk about or write about, why not consider launching an online business like a blog, vlog, or any of those? Although blogging is becoming difficult because there are so many blogs out there that it has become difficult for advertisers to pick which bloggers to work with. Today, however, online entrepreneurs have found a way to make their business work by creating smaller accounts of premium materials and charging for that content as a course, ebook, or membership site. You see, anyone can start a business with almost no cash, as long as you know what you want to do. However, the next time you doubt the possibilities of that, remind yourself of Norman Vincent Peale's words: "Empty pockets never held anyone back. Only empty heads and empty hearts can do that." Thank you very much for watching our videos. We'd like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we handpicked for you to enjoy next. We love you.